continue our project. Up to here we was finished for the duct measurement for the TED duct, so we'll continue from here where we stopped last time. We'll continue from there. First of all, my system, I don't know, it is a little bit slow. Okay, this we finished, so we'll go to this area. So that time we can go to split the screen with our okay. First of all, we need to take the length of this duct, so we'll put the straight duct again 62. The number will be 62 for the straight duct. 1 minute. One second. Arranging all things. Okay. We'll put the straight duct. Was the size 1400 by 700, and the length will be 8 meter 315. So for this duct we didn't take an, so we'll go to these 2 elbows. We can go to 3 elbows. I think this also same. 200 by 250, 200, 250. Both 3 elbows are same. So we'll put the 3 elbows. 63 elbow, 250 by 200. Next 64 elbow, 250 by 200. Another one 65 elbow, 250 by 200. So where is the equation for the elbow? We'll take the equation and put it here. Left by here. Oh my god. Then 66 will be take this length. Actually this elbow also we can add here. One more elbow is here, so that elbow will be added here. So that also will be come here. Go to 67 straight. Straight 250 by 200, 705, 68 straight duct, 250 by 200, 2048. How is coming like this? Let me check. Oh my god. Where we are? There is a reducer. reducer size we have to, I think this is 300 by 250. Yes, 300 by 250. 300 by 250, then 200 by 250, length 200, reduce only 2 square meter. Then going to 70. We go to 1075 straight duct, 300 by 250, length 1071. So the equation will be applied here. So there is 71 reducer or whatever, that size will be 400 by 250, length is 300 by 250. We can take 150, same equation. Next 72, here one thing we missed, straight duct, 250 by 200, 730. So put the straight duct equation, going to 73, same thing will be coming here, 300 by 250, 200 by 250, radius will be length how much, 150, and going to 74, where this part we already taken, no problem. This elbow we take, this elbow we taken from the riser, there is elbow already we taken, and one elbow is pending. This elbow we need to mention here. Elbow is pending 250 by 200. Elbow equation will be here, right here. So that elbow finished. Going to 75, into 75. So this and this size to be added. Straight duct, 250 by 200, go into the length 835. Going to straight duct equation. So we got that 76, also straight duct, 250 by 200, the length is 680. So equation same, we apply that one. 77, we are going to 77, that is reducer ratio. We are applying the reducer equation for here. So 250 by 200 is also 300 by 250, 200 by 250. So length is normally 150, 200 like this. You consider 150. So that's also finished. So we are going to, there is a one elbow. So 45 elbow we don't have the equation, just we will go with the 90 degree elbow. So 245, that is, we'll go with that 90 degree elbow. I will consider this elbow and this elbow as a 90 degree. So it will come elbow equation, elbow, and what here is that? Here is this size 1400 by 700. So elbow equation will apply here, 7 square meter. Going to the straight duct equation here. $79 straight duct, 1400 by 700, length 2764. Going to the place straight duct equation, so 11.6 square meter will come. Then again going to the straight duct around. We consider this up portion also, because we consider single elbow, so we need to consider extra more duct also. So I consider this much of length for that straight piece. So straight piece I consider 1 meter length. Again 1400 by 700, 1 meter length, sorry, 1 meter. So the straight duct will be, the equation 4.2 square meter will come, and there should be one reducer. So mouth, we don't know the actual mouth of the this is a mouth connection, so we are not aware of this size. So I just to consider whatever the size is given, I consider that one. 81, we can go with the reducer. Reducer was the size 1400 by 700, maybe 1400 degrees to 320, and 700 I keep saying like that, maybe that's also increased, but 700 I will keep in without change, and length will be 130 is there, should be more than that, it should be, I consider 250. So how much it will come? 1.26 should be 300 per because we can't take reducer within 130 mm. Consider 300 because it's near the machine, so as per drawing will not get. So we need to consider extra something because there need maybe extra text, so we will not get accurate as per sight, but we can try to make it accurate. So we will consider as per sight, maybe 300 will come, a little bit extra will come, so I consider 300. So going to the next, here also same things, so put the same reducer with the same size I am applying. Same size will be considered here also. Then going to the next straight duct, length should be taken. There is a BDD, backdraft damper is come, so we need to consider, if we going to consider that also, we need to minus that from the duct quantity, but things maybe little small variation will come, so I neglecting that one. Whatever the BDD, BCD and motorized damper is coming during the ducting, I neglecting. It's not a much big sizes, so we no need to reduce that quantity from the actual. So I'm going here 1400 by 700, so the length is 3 meters 768. So applying straight duct equation, 15.8 square meter, and there is one more, a reducer is coming. So for we consider the plenum size also. So I considering this size for this reducer. Actually this the lower size is mentioned here, 2000 by 1500. So we can consider this plenum size bigger than this. So reducer I consider in 2000 by 1500. Okay, so 1400 by 700. No, bigger we can take first. 1400 by 700. The length will be, I'm considering again 300. More than that we'll need maybe 350 or 450, whatever we need. We have to consider that also. 1.96 square meter will come. So 85 I'm considering plenum box. So this plenum box, what is the size? 2000? No, should be more than that. 2200 by 1700. So length is minimum 500 length we need to consider. So considering 500. So plenum we have made an equation before. Where is the plenum? We made an equation for this, the plenum equation. We adding extra for 15% extra. Okay, so plenum also we done. So we want to go after this. After here we done. There is one offset is coming. Maybe the duct is going to below whatever the vertical we need to consider, but now we are not going to consider any vertical duct quantity. That will consider later as per site. Maybe 10%, 15% extra will consider for vertical and offset. Some offset we need to provide, so that will consider as per site. But as per drawing we are taking the quantity and consider some extra quantity for offset and the vertical duct. For here 600, because straight duct we can consider straight duct. 86 straight duct, 1400 by 550. The duct size is also reducer. It's a reducer, so that's a reducer. So 1400 by 700, 1400 by 550. Height is reduced, so it's shown like this. Width is remains same. The length is 600. So put the reducer equation here. Oh my god. Going to 87. So reducer. Going to the straight duct. What's the straight duct? 1400 by 550. Length is 5675. So apply the straight duct equation here. Going to 88. There is a elbow 1400 by 550. Oh, that's elbow. Before that we need to do something. Okay, 6.3 square meter will come. Before that we missed this one. We have to do this two elbows are here. Both are same size, so we can put two an elbow also size 200 by 200. We put the same equation here. How many elbows? 89, 90. Yes, 90. What happened? So 90. I will put the again 1, 2, 3 elbows over here. I will put 3 elbows. So next we need to consider this length. We add these elbows. So next is straight. We need to consider this one also. 92. We are going straight at 200 by 200. How the equation is coming here? Okay, leave it. 760. We going the equation for the straight at only this much as square meter. Again going to straight at 200 by 200. 3789 equation. Already we applied the equation. Again straight at 200 by 200. 519. Same equation we applied. We got the same. So next is a reducer or shoe collar. Where is the reducer or shoe collar? Take and put it here. So it will be 300 by 200, 200 by 200. Length will be 150. We can take a reducer equation. We'll put the reducer equation here. Again one shoe collar. Total 2 branches are there, so another shoe collar. So that was equivalent same size. We'll apply same equation. Then going to the next. Already this elbow we already taken. So we going. Before going that one, just to take this full length. So straight at 1400 by 550. Length is 5232. Go to straight at equation. Put it here. 20 square meter will come. 98 we are going. This one 200 by 200, 200 by 200. So 200 by 200, 2 elbows, 3 elbows. Okay, 1, 2, 3 elbows. To the elbows. 200 by 200. Another 99 also elbow. 200 by 200, 100 also elbow, 200 by 200. Another one here, 200 by 250 elbow. That's also we will consider 200 by 250. Put the elbow equation into the elbow equation and take paste here. 20.2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 elbows are there. 200. So put another elbow also. 200 by 200. Equation only came 103. 103. We can go to this straight duct. Oh my god. There is a that we can do. First of all, straight duct. Straight duct 200 by 200, length 430. Go to the straight duct equation, apply here, 204, again straight duct 200 by 200, length will be 7289. So same we'll apply here. Next is the reducer. 105 with the reducer. So the reducer size will be, we need to check the, okay, by 200 by 200, length will be 150. Sorry, reducer equation is here. We are applying that equation to here. 106. So we need to take this length. Straight duct 200 by 250, length 431. Put the straight duct equation. 107. Reducer or shoe collar. It will come 300 by 250, 200 by 250. 108. Straight duct 300 by 200, length is 2418. Go to the straight duct equation, apply to here, again 109. Straight duct 300 by 200, 2624. Same equation will apply here. 110. One elbows are missing. We missed this elbow, so put the elbow 300 by 200. We put the elbow equation. So let's also finish. Triple one, there is a reducer, height reducer, maybe 150 or 250. 150. So 300 by 250, 300 by 200, 150. Put the reducer equation. Okay, let's also finish. Then only this one is balanced. 710. 710 and 1047. Straight 200 by 200. 710. 200 by 200. 1047. Go to straight up equation. Okay. Good. For that is a reducer shoot for auto. It will be 300 by 200, 200 by 200, 150 length. So reducer equation here. We get that one. Go to 1.5. So this one is balanced. We'll take this one. Straight duct 300 by 250 length 1875. Go to straight duct equation. Apply here. Finish. Then again shoe collar. Go to reducer. What's the size? It will be 400 by 250, 300 by 250, so and 150, whatever 150, 250, 200, we can take like that. Okay, so that's finished. We go in, and this branch is balanced. So this is all coming typical. We will take one same for here. So one we will consider here first. 7. One, two, three elbows. First we need to put elbow 200 by 250. Again elbow 200 by 250. Again elbow 200 by 250. So we'll put the elbow equation here. Take the equation and put here like that. Okay, we applied 3 elbow. Now we have to take the straight. Straight 200 by 200, 705, we will apply 221, again straight 200 by 200, 2048, we will apply this also, 705, 222, 200 by 200, 705. Put the straight act equation. reducer. Let's say 200. Reducer. 300 by 250. 200 by 200. 200 lengths also 200. Go to the reducer equation. So we got that. Again we go into the straight duct. That's the straight duct equation there. One shoe collar here missed, and here is one shoe collar. So we're going to the shoe collar. One size will be it's not just 200 by 250. This also 250. This also 250. Yeah, okay, good. So it will come 300 by 250, 200 by 250, 150. And for this shoe collar size will come 400 by 250, 300 by 250, 150 or 200. Whatever. Should we take this equation here? Here. So that's completed. Next, this reducer we need to find. First of all, the length will be 450. This we can do it. Otherwise this will make confusion. Okay, this will be 450, and this length also we can take. So 227 is a reducer. 1400 by 550. 1400 by 550 to 1300 by 500. Both width and height reduced. The length will be 450. So we put the reducer equation. 1.68 square meter will come. 228. 1300 by 500. Straight duct. 1300 by 500. The length will be 7479. We'll apply the straight duct equation here. We'll get 26.92 square meter. So we'll going. The same things we done before. We'll copy paste this one up to the shoe collar. It's easy. So we can save our time. The same typical is coming here. We apply like this. Okay, so this finish. Again another reducer. And here what is 450. 250. We'll apply the reducer. So says 1300, change it to 1200. Length is 450. Put the reducer equation. 1.5 square meter will come 240. Again we going to the straight at 1200 by 500. Length will be 9477. We'll apply this to here. 32 square meter will come 241. 241. These two branches will take. Okay, for this one, this 200, 200, 200, 200. So how many elbows are needed? 1, 2, 3, 4 elbows. So we're going first elbows. 200 by 200. Again elbows. 200 by 200. Again going to elbows. 200 by 200. Total 4 elbow need. $200 by 200. Putting the elbow equation. So that's okay. 245. We're going to the all straight act for here. 200 by 200. Length 3010. Equation will change it. We can change it now. Okay, we'll change the equation. 246 straight act. 200 by 200. Length 473. Again 247 straight. 200 by 200. Length 1687. Again 248. 2 straight act. 200 by 200. That's the length will be 1712. So the same equation we can apply to next also straight act now. 249 straight act. 250 by 200. Length 4857. 250 straight act. 300 by 200. Length 11. Up to here we finished. Up to here we finished, and we're going this much of his balance. So we'll take this one elbow, going to the 251 elbow, 1200 by 500. Elbow, where is elbow? Will come here. I update to here, 252 again elbow. Why again elbow? Straight at 1200 by 500. The equation is coming automatically. 2021. Equation need to change for the straight at 6.8 square meter. Then we will go to these two elbows, 200 by 200, 200 by 250, 253 elbow, 200 by 200, and 254 elbow, 254 also elbow, 200 by 250. So where is elbow? Equation will be applied to here. And equation will apply to here. 255. There is a reducer. Reducer 250. So we go into the reducer. 1200 by 500 to 950 by 500 reducer. The length is 250. Reducer equation, where is the reducer equation? We apply this reducer equation to here. Before, okay, this reducer we already applied, okay. Before that, one thing, this reducer we didn't apply, and this two shoe collar we forgot, so that's been tried. 256 reducer, 250 by 200 to 300 by 200 to 250 by 200. Length maybe 150, 250 we can take, no problem. Again shoe collar 260 of 257. Three shoe collars, three, no, more than three. Even handicap also is here. Sugar, what size we need to apply first? We can apply same 200, 300 by 200, 150, same 258. Reducer or sugar 300 by 200, 200 by 200, 200 by 200, 150. Total 1, 2, 3 reducers need. 4 reducer, 4 shoe collar with same size. One here, one here, one here, one here. 259. 300 by 200, 200 by 200, 150. One more we need. 261. The reducer is this one. So what it says, 400 by 200, 300 by 200. Length we are taking normal 250. So let's see, this much of will come. Go to this area and this duct. (252) straight duct, 950, 500, 7710 will come how much? 22 square meter. 263. We will consider this one. I consider a little bit more, no problem. You need to consider a little bit more. So first of all, elbow. Two elbows. Equation of the elbow. Okay. 265. Straight duct. 500. 266 also straight duct. 200 by 250. Considering 235 is actual, considering a little bit more. 280, 300, 500. Whatever. Figures another side. So it will come like this. It will come more than this. That we will add extra for the vertical. It will come vertical around 2 meter, 3 meter. Also vertical will come 2 meter. Every branch will come. So it will come more. But I am not considering here. But I will add as a knot, like for extra quantity. So 266 we finished. We are going to this reducer. Reducer not added now. This reducer not added. So we will go here. So 400. Whatever. 267 reduce. So 950 by 500 to 900 by 500, length 400. Put the reducer equation. 1.1 square meter will come. 267, 268. Straight duct, 900 by 500, length 7598. It will come 21 square meter. 269. So we'll go for these two branches. 1, 2, 3, 4 shoe collar. 1, 2, 2 shoe collar we missed. That we will add here. For the elbow, 200 by 250, 270. Again elbow. For these two branches, 1, 2 branches elbow here. 200 by 250, So we'll put the elbow equation. $271. We're going to the straight. 200 by 250. Length is 1225. Again 272. Straight at 200 by 250, taking 500. So I'll put the equation here. So straight is finish. 273. This shoe collar, this shoe collar, this shoe collar, this shoe collar we missed. So total 4 shoe collar. So I will apply this one. I will apply this one, this one, this one. Total 4 shoe collar. The size is 250, 250, 250. Let's also finish. Next, it's not going to finish. Next is one reducer. $277. Number 500. What is this size? What is the size? $250 application already applied. 278. This is a small short piece. That's we can consider on this elbow. We consider this both elbow single with some percentage also. We'll consider 800 by 500. I apply this equation here. But -45° elbow. Almost the same. So 245 consider 190° elbow. 279 straight. Apply the straight Hvac-Duct equation. 280. Again straight Hvac-Duct. 800 by 500. Length 9472. $281. Go to the two elbow, one elbow here, one elbow here. These two branches will calculate. So apply 2 elbows. 200 by 250. Elbow. 200 by 250. apply the elbow equation. $283. One reducer here. Height is reduced. So what size? 800, 500, 800 by 400, 250. Reduce it to here. Reduce it. Yeah. 284. That is elbow. 800, 400. We'll put the elbow equation. 2.3 square meter. Again one elbow. Two elbows here. 285. Elbow 800 by 400. That's okay. I'm going to the straight duct. Did we consider this straight? No. We consider only elbow. So to show color, to straight duct we need to consider. Okay, wait. $285.6 straight duct, 200 by 250, length 3425. Straight duct equation. 287. Straight duct 200 by 250, 500. 288. We need to consider shoe collar. So two shoe collars consider. Then go to the this. Straight duct 800 by 400, 1097. Length 1097. 291. Straight duct 800 by 400, 3230. Going to the apply the straight duct equation here. So got the next one, this branch. First elbow 200 by 250. Elbow equation 393. Straight duct 200 by 250, 938. What's the straight duct equation? 294. Shoe collar. So that's also finished. This reducer is missing 250. $800. Size is not mentioned. Okay. 295. Reducer 800 by 400. 700 by 400. 250. 296. 7732. What is straight duct equation? 17 square meter. 297. Go to this 2 branches. First we need to apply elbow. My God. 200 by 250. 298 elbow. 200 by 250. Both elbow. 298. Straight duct. 200 by 250 straight. 988. Cannot wait. 300. Straight duct. 200 by 250. Length. 301 and 302 sugar. So that's also complete. 303. And reduce 700 by 400 to 600 350 and 300. Put reduced equation. Three not 4. Straight duct 600 by 350. Length 7728. Okay, so we go to these 2 branches, 200 by 250 and 200 by 200. 305 elbow. 200 by 200. 306 elbow. 200 by 250. put this equation here. Next, we want to know this length. .7 straight, 200 by 200, length 1032, 308, straight, 200 by 250, 748. Go to the straight act equation, update to here, update here. Then the shoe collar, we need a 2 shoe collar. Size will be for one size will be 200 the height. So that's also finish. $250. Second width 500 by 350. Change it to 500 by 350. The length will be 252, and then straight act 500 by 300. It will come 5180. Apply the straight act equation. Then reduce 600 by 350 to 200 by 200. Length is 250. Maybe I need more. Okay, 250 is okay. Consider. So we can finish this one first. Straight act 200 by 200, again 315 straight act 200 by 200. The length will be 749 and 5550. We'll put the straight act equation, and going to 316 2 elbow. So we need 2 elbow, 200 by 200, 7. There we go. 200 by 200. So where is elbow equation? Okay, here. So that portion is finished. Next 380. This we can take. The size will be different. 600 by 300 and 500 by 300. Size is 150. Take it to 100 minimum. I'm going to this duct. 319 straight duct. 500 by 300. Length 1667. Into the straight duct equation and put it here. 320. We take this branch. Elbow 200 by 250. Put the elbow here and straight. here this for this length and this length, and this is we need to take the shoe collar 1 2 3 4 shoe collar. We need to add that 4 shoe collar. Four shoe collars. I added 1 2 3 4, and one will be 200. Other all 250. Yes, good. So TED for block A we have finished. So guys, this is a lengthy subject to do measurement like this manual with the Excel sheet. It will take time. So for block A we have done the FAD and TED, and some other text also is there that we will do the later. So one small GUT text is here. That's not a big task to complete, and some SAD text also is there, supplier text. So now we will take the break.